controlling notification rules in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how each rule maps an event to who gets notified and how to turn a rule on, off, or edit it. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Notifications from your dashboard. KettleiQ sends notifications automatically for the events that matter: brew days, transfers, cellar readings, and account activity. There's nothing to connect here. What you control is which notifications go out and to whom. Each row on this page is one rule, like brew day today or bright transfer due. It shows the roles that receive it, the channels it uses, like push and email, its lead time, and whether it's enabled. If someone tells you they never got a notification, they should have. First, check here that the matching rule is enabled and that their role is on the recipient list. If a rule is off, that's usually why nothing went out. To change who's notified or when, tap Edit on that rule, adjust the roles, channels, or lead time, and save. And tap New Rule at the top to add a notification for an event that isn't covered yet.